Hi there. Well, today I decided I'm going to try my hand at a boho hair stick. I'm not sure if that's what you call it, but that's what I'm calling it. It's got feathers and it's gonna it's like a stick that you put into a bun and then it hangs down with a feather and beads and that. Um, I'm going to be using some of my beads that I've got. And then I have a hair stick that I've already got, but it's a bit long, so I'm going to be shortening it and making a hole in it, and you'll see all of that. So I will show you what I'm going to use. I have already sort of laid out the beads the way that I want to. So what I'll do is over here, I'm going to give you the example of what it's supposed to look like. So you'll see that it's in the bun and it's hanging over. And then I'm going to show you how I already sort of put the beads that I want to do.
I love being creative and trying new things in my journey through life, writing best practices, tips and tricks, sharing updates on my own writing and books with different tutorials sprinkled in between. I enjoy sharing my knowledge. There's music covers and original pieces written and composed by me, handmade jewelry reveals, sewing videos, other crafts, poetry reading, book reviews, and many, many more. Come and join me on this journey, and let's have fun together.
So for this, I'm going to be using my husband's hand roll, although I could use my Dremel as well, but I just don't feel like changing the stuff the whole time because there's going to be 3 things that I need to use. So I've got my Dremel. You will see me use it. I need the cutting disc. Let me see if it's on there at the moment. No. So the cutting disc is this one. And then I'm also going to need to use the sanding one and the Dremel. This is the first time I'm going to be using my Dremel, which I got from my stepdad. So yeah, momentous occasion. Okay, I've got this rope, which is a little bit thicker, and I have this black tiger tail because the rope is too thick for the beads. I have my tools, so my cutters and my flat nose pliers. I've got the stick that I'm going to be doing. As you can see, I've marked it where I want to cut it and then sharpen it again. And then I've got the feather, which I've already put this on, but I'm going to glue it on with my not my glue gun, it's just going to be glue that I'm going to use. Glue gun and feathers, not best of friends. Okay, I'm going to use this to put the stuff out again and the beads that I put aside for the project. So what I'm going to first do is I'm going to first glue this feather in this holder into place. Okay, so this is the glue I'm going to be using, and I just needed to get a glass so that it can stand up. Okay, need to put some glue in there because I need to put this on over here. Now we just want to put this, I want to put this in its order that I had it in. Okay, and then these ones is just crimpers and crimp covers. So I'm just going to move these to the side so I can fix the stick. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is make a hole. Do over there. It has to go right through. I just need to get my board. Just a note here, you'll see that I was struggling to get the hole and let it actually make the hole, and I found out afterwards, my husband said to me that I was using a concrete drill bit instead of a wood drill bit. So just a note, make sure you're using the right drill bit when you do it. Okay, let's do this part first. For some reason those scissors of mine are blunt. In fact, I probably need to replace most of the scissors in this house. Okay, I'm using a big crimper because these things are big, but I don't know if it's big enough to try and force it in there, so I'm going to sellotape the two together. Okay, and then I take a big crimp cover. And I need to cut this off. Okay, so I need to use a crimper over here. That one.
cover. Another crimp. Crimp cover. There we go. So I like how this hair stick came out. I'm probably going to make more of them because I like it. For future, if you don't have one of these sticks, you can also use chopsticks, which is what I'll be doing as well. I don't know, I like it, obviously, because it's boho. So if you enjoyed the video, if you can please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, if you can please do so and click the subscription block below. It shows support for my channel, which I really do appreciate, and it's also going to help me reach my goal, which I'd like to get at least 1,000 followers or subscribers this year. And if you go into the description block below, you will also find all of my social media, and then also my blog, which is where you'll find more content from me. And if you go to www.patreon.com/Ondeane Lourens, you'll find more content from me, and it's also the best place for you to support what I do on this channel, and then also what I do on my blog, because I currently don't get paid for either of them. If you want to support me in a different way, then my email is also in the description block below, and then you can just email me and I will let you know of a different way to do it. So I hope that you have a lovely day further. Keep your crystal on, your sparkle strong, and enjoy your moments. Goodbye.